Bondi Pavilion Conservation and Restoration Project. Tonkin Zulaika Greer. Bristile Roofing. Bondi Pavilion is a multi-purpose community hub, as well as a world-famous heritage landmark. Its tired, shabby spaces have been conserved and upgraded, with structural failures rectified and new colonnaded courtyards open to the public. The most visible transformation is the reconstruction of the original multicoloured Cordova tiled roof in place of a 1960s grey concrete incarnation. Returning to the Bondi Pavilion's design roots has lifted the building's image, restored its symmetrical, colonnaded elevation, and given it a vibrant new functionality. Avondale. Aeta Studio. Bristile Roofing. Avondale is a 1970s heritage-listed townhouse complex. With the original tiles at the end of their life and the stock of spares exhausted, the owners elected to embark on a roof replacement project. As a heritage-listed building, it was important to retain as much of the original design intent as possible. The roof, with its wide overhangs and staggered high-pitched planes, was such a prominent feature, the designers needed to find a replacement tile that would match the character of the original. A newly released bronze roof tile was eventually selected. This product blended perfectly with the existing design intent and material palette. Viridi. Plus Architecture, TLG Roofing. Echoing the contours of its landscape, Viridi appears to gracefully emerge from its surroundings, contributing a dynamic visual landmark to the site. The mosaic-like tessellation of thousands of tiles glint and ripple across the crafted facade. Roof tiles were chosen for their look, weight, longevity, and sustainability advantages. Being a one-of-a-kind roof tiling project, it was classed as a facade and required different installation methods and materials to complete and comply with the facade engineer's requirements. St Patrick's College Ballarat Residence. Ballarat Bricks and Roofing. This magnificent period building, built at the turn of the century, is located on the main street of Ballarat. With its prestigious address, the building needed its existing roof replaced to restore it to its former glory. Terracotta tiles were carefully chosen to provide the best match to the existing tiles. The original finials and decorative ridge tiles were retained and reused. The level of detail in the re-roof project required the services of highly skilled roofers, whose artisanship exceeded all expectations of the client and builder. Clay Hip and Valley. APT Roofing. Luton Roofing. The roof on this multi-residential beachside property had sustained damage from years of exposure to salt water and high winds, and needed replacement to ensure the safety and comfort of the residents. The design team worked closely with the strata to select the appropriate materials to ensure the replacement roof was functional and aesthetically pleasing. A classic red terracotta tile was chosen. The entire build was completed in a timely and efficient manner, with a focus on minimising disruption to the homeowners and their neighbours.